Same way, if you have some non-production works, if you want to copy or do whatever the processing, you can come here, you can get the instances from Spot. Spot means bidding. What is the benefit? You'll get a lot of benefit here. In bidding, you get a lot of benefit. Sometimes bidding may be higher rate or maybe lower rate. Lower rate means you're profitable. If it is higher, anyway, on demand is there for you. On demand instance, when you're launching, that is there for you. Why do you go to spot bidding? To save some money. There is a task, non-production task, non-production workload task that you want to do it with compute instances. But if you launch direct one EC2 instance by going here, what happens? On demand. To save some money, reserved. Reserved means 1 year contract or 3 years contract with AWS. Then they will give you discounts. But you got some adapt work. For every 4 years, elections once they come, right? They have given a project to you to do analysis, user persona on voting particular party. This is your, they are given the requirement to you. For this, they are given a budget of some 1 lakh. To do this task with the production workloads, 10 lakhs. Then you have to do cost optimization. That is the reason you are going to all the way to the spot instances. Spot is nothing but we are sitting in a bid. You have your own work, you have your own work, you have my own requirement. Bidding will be there. In bidding, if I won the bidding, then I will take this all the instances and engage with my task. Once it is engaged, suddenly bidding will happen after some time, after 1 hour, after 2 hours. If somebody is quoting greater than my value, all these instances will go to them. But how much time you used, for that time they pay charge for you. Even that is also cheaper cost. Next, saving plans. Nothing but if you're going with some 1 to 3 years contract with AWS, they'll give you some discounts on your usage. Reserved instances. Under savings itself, you can reserve. So for that reserved instance, AWS will give you some saving, some discount. Dedicated host. So if you allocate a dedicated host based on the usage, based on the configuration, AWS will charge you. But what we have launched in our day one session, on demand. On demand, per second, 1 cent. Let's say per hour, $1. If you go with the spot, per hour, 10 paisa. If you go with the savings and reserve, dedicated savings and reserve, you per hour, you might they might charge you 25 cents instead of $1, 25 cents. If you go with the dedicated based on the configuration, custom configuration, they might charge you. Capacity reservation. You can reserve some capacity for your project based on your workload. But nobody uses this. 90%, they go with the reserve plan if they know list of instances, or they go with on demand with the auto scaling. Here you are aware of it, AMI catalog. You can make your own AMI by using this catalog. Next, volumes, nothing but hard disk. If you take volume backup, it's become snapshot. How to take a backup? Let me show you one backup. Rather I come from here, I will come from the instance level. It will be very clear.